Precautions for 3D matrix lamp installation. The box with a handle is on the top, and the button is on the bottom. Note the bottom side of the module board with letters. Pay attention to the up and down direction when installing the module board. Connect the container to the module board and place the signal cable in the groove. Lock the latch after installation. When installed correctly, each box layout starts with the module board in the upper right corner. The first box is connected to the power supply, and the rear box can be cascaded. The number of cascades is determined by the length and power of the lamp beads. The first box is connected to the computer, and the signal can be cascaded to 254 boxes. Use the RDM feature in Mad Show. When there are multiple boxes, the box test function can be used to find the box connected to the computer. Set it to master and write the code. After completion, you can long press the key of the main control box to switch all boxes to built-in mode or ArtNet mode.